Did you know that there's a popular bird named after the Spanish or Latin word for fire?
Really? What is it?
It's a...
No. Nope. I just checked, and there are no birds anywhere called a fuego.
A what?
A bird.
I know you said bird, Gus, but what's the name?
Oh, fuego. Cadence is just trying to confuse you.
No, I'm not.
Okay, sure. Okay, so tell me this one, oh genius one. Where can one find one of these mysterious and mythical fuego birds?
It's not fuego, Gus.
Although that is the Spanish word for fire.
Oh my goodness, it's flamingos. They're flamingos.
Ah, flamenco. No wonder you said fuego.
Let's just start the video.
I have to admit it, Cadence was right. The name flamingo comes from the Latin and Spanish word for fire because of their bright feathers.
Flamingos are famous for usually being their color pink.
But did you know they can also be found in the colors of crimson red, orange, and even cream or white?
The pink color of the flamingo is due to the bird's diet, which includes shrimp, snails, and algae.
That actually sounds delicious. But clearly, I'm blue, so I don't eat any of those things.
Ew.
And hey, guess what? These foods consist of carotenoid pigments. That's the same pigment that makes carrots orange.
When a flamingo is young, they are born white with soft feathers and a straight bill that then begins to curve downwards as the flamingo gets older and older.
Flamingos have a really clever way of eating. They dive their head into the water and then turn it upside down and scoop up the food with their upper beak like a shovel. They then pump the water out of the sides of their mouths, and the plants and animals or fish stay inside to eat while all the water gets flushed out.
Hey, guess what? Did you know that there are actually 6 different species of flamingos?
That's right. They are the greater flamingo from Africa, Europe, and Asia, the lesser flamingo from Africa and India, the Chilean flamingo, James flamingo, and Andean flamingo, all from South America, and the American flamingo from, believe it or not, the Caribbean.
That's a lot of different flamingos, but in this video we're going to talk mostly about the American flamingo.
The American flamingo grows 3 to 5 feet tall and weighs 5 to 6 pounds. Males are slightly larger than female flamingos.
An adult flamingo's legs are longer than their body, and they measure anywhere from 31.5 to 49 inches depending on the flamingo species.
Hey, guess what? The bend of the flamingo's leg is actually its ankle. The knee is further up their legs.
I just hit my eye on the table, but I wish I had knees. I wish I had legs.
And quite often, flamingos will stand on just one leg, with the other tucked under the body.
Scientists aren't exactly sure why they stand on one leg. There are a lot of different theories, but the best one is in order for a flamingo to save energy and preserve body heat. They can even sleep while balancing on one leg.
So now they're just bragging.
Make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up down below.
It really helps our channel.
The thumbs up looks like this. Put it on my face. See it? Click it.
Hey, thanks for subscribing and giving a thumbs up. Hopefully you did. So let's continue with the video. Flamingos are also known for their long, curved necks.
Flamingos have 19 elongated cervical vertebrae, and this allows their necks to move and even twist in a nice, fluid motion. Not like that, though.
Their feathers cover their entire body except for their bill and the scaled part of their legs and feet.
These feathers protect their skin from getting damaged.
And flamingos shed and replace their body and wing feathers twice a year or once every 2 years, depending on the particular bird's breeding cycle.
Hey, guess what? Many people believe that flamingos do not fly, but believe it or not, flamingos can actually fly better than most people realize.
That's right, and did you know that they also take off very quickly and fly up to 35 miles per hour and can run on top of water to help them take off?
So where do flamingos live?
Well, flamingos are usually found in South America and Africa.
Flamingos can be found in many different habitats, and they can adapt well to both cold and warm climates.
And they can live anywhere from mountains to flatlands.
They are water birds, so they will always be near lagoons or lakes.
And flamingos are social birds, meaning they live in colonies. And sometimes thousands of flamingos live in a colony, and this helps to avoid predators, allowing them to eat and survive, and is also better for nesting their young.
The largest colony has over 1 million flamingos and is located in East Africa. Wow, that's a lot of flamingos.
And flamingos are also called monogamous creatures, which means they have just one partner and produce one egg each year.
Flamingos build a nest that looks like a heap of mud along waterways. I thought I actually stepped in one time, but then I realized I don't have any legs, so it was just a dream.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Don't know what to say about that, Gus. But anyway, to continue, at the top of this mound, they make a shallow hole where the female lays her egg.
The parents then take a turn resting on the egg to keep it warm.
Then about a month later, or 30 days later, the egg hatches and both parents take care of the baby flamingo by feeding it a fluid produced in the adult flamingo's digestive system.
The baby flamingos then leave the nest about 5 days later to hang out with other baby flamingos and then return to the parents for food.
Time for dinner.
What is she calling me for? She think I'm a flamingo? I don't even have legs.
And hey, guess what? So they don't get confused, the parents identify their baby flamingo chick by its voice.
3 weeks later, the adults herd young flamingos into large groups called creches. This is where they begin to hunt for their own food.
And the flamingo parents will take care of their kids for up to 6 years.
In the wild, flamingos live 20 to 30 years and sometimes over 50 years in captivity.
And for our final fact, did you know that flamingos make a honking sound kind of like a goose?
Well, hey, guess what? Now we all know a little bit more about flamingos.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure to subscribe.
Bye!